Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get cheap car insurance in Canada. So, first things first, here's a couple of lists of cheap providers for insurance, like Pillar Direct Auto Insurance, Intact Auto Insurance, and Des Jordan's Auto Insurance. And there's also 10 more here, right? And there's a couple of tips that I could give you to get cheap insurance. Like, for example, get the coverage you actually need. Like, depending on the age of your car, where you live, and what your driving habits are like, you may not need a fully loaded policy, right? And you should also consider usage based insurance, and you should shop around and compare rates. And that's why I showed you here. So just look around and really uh, really compare all of your options, right? There's also a couple of things like good credit, and you should buy a used car. Now, this is the other thing that I should tell you is that you need to choose the right car, right? If you want cheap car insurance, you should keep insurance costs in mind when you're thinking about buying a car. Because, for instance, car models frequently targeted by thief may cost you extra to insure. So it really depends on your car, right? So if it's more if it's like a expensive car, then of course you'll have an expensive insurance as well, right? But if it's something like a minivan, something that's pretty not that's pretty undesirable by some thieves, you could get super cheap insurance with it. And again, with the other website as well, you need to adjust your policy and drop the optional coverages if you no longer need them. So you're not getting the full package deal, right? And you can shop around, keep a good driving record, ask about ways to get discounts on car insurance, the bundling effect, make your payments on time all the time, install winter tires, pay premium annually, not monthly. So you pay it annually because by then it's like bulk buying, right? You get a discount, and you can also consider increasing your deductible, take an accredited driving course, install anti-theft devices, or just don't use your cars, right? And that is how you get cheap car insurance in Canada.